Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. How are you today? My name is Michelle Antobo, 33 years old, single, live-in partner. I have one daughter, 11 years old. I have three brothers, and I am first in the family. I am Christian and I live in Bubuan, Bayog, Zamboanga del Sur. I am high school graduate. I work here in the Philippines for 4 years. I started work on November 11, 2019 until 2023. I work 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, 2 and 8 years old boy and 5 years old girl. I also have experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 11 months. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, 2 and 4 years old boy and 6 years old girl. My main duties and responsibilities to my employer are taking care of the children, giving full care and attention, preparing their foods, prioritize their health and safety, tutoring them, playing with them to make them happy. And I also do household chores, cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing and gardening. To all employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am flexible to the different household chores. I serve honesty and politeness and follow your rules and regulations. I serve your family as my own family. Thank you and God bless.